Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty, but you can still call me Nyinyi. Today we are going to talk about PowerPoint presentation. How simply and easily you can present your work on PowerPoint presentation. In case you want to present your work, what do you do? How do you organize your work? So basically that is what we're going to talk about today. So when you want to present your work using PowerPoint, come and open PowerPoint, click on a blank page because you want to so this is our blank PowerPoint presentation. You'll start using or you'll start typing your work. For example, we want to start about weather, which is our heading. Weather. Maybe here you can say weather by. For example, my name is Betty. That is your first slide. You go and create a new slide. What do you want to talk about weather? Let's organize our work table. Okay, come and click here. Sorry. Table of contents. Maybe you want to first talk about the intro, the introduction. After the introduction, maybe you also want to talk about the elements. Maybe you also want to talk about the types of weather. So that is the type of contents. You create another slide of any order you're interested in. So we start following our table of contents. So according to our table of contents, we say the introduction. You'll come and read introduction. Then introduction, what do you want to talk about? Introduction is obviously the definition. What about the definition? You define. So your definition, you will start defining weather. Of course, it is your topic. So let's give a definition. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a specific place until. So that is our introduction of weather, simply in terms of its definition. After you come back to your table, you said you're going to talk about elements. So you create another slide, follow according to your table of content. You said you're going to talk about elements, the reasons being capital elements. Come down, start listing the elements you want to talk about. The first element, the first one according to me, to your work, temperature, humidity, wind, come Back to your table of contents, you said you talk about the tapes. You also create another slide. Come and click on title. You said you'll talk about tapes of weather. Come down. You have to tell us the types of weather. So types of weather. Which ones are you taking? Come back and press your cursor. Cloudy. I don't want both of them to be in capital. Cloudy. Sunny. Windy. Stormy. Stormy. So those are your tips of climate. And maybe that is what you wanted to present. So you're done typing your work. You're now going to make changes. And according to your work, you have to follow your layouts. For example, my work is organized in the same layout, but there are two different types of layout. The first one is different from the other four slides. So you come here. We will now want to create changes in our work to make it look good and more neat. Come to slide master. You want to change, you highlight, you go home. I want to bold my headings. I want them underlined. And I want to also change maybe their calibre. Let me choose any from here. It's Algerian. Convert it to italics. The size is the one I want, 60. Go back to slide master, then close. When you close, the changes you made using slide master will affect all your slides that have the same layout. But for my work, the layout of one is different from the other. So that is why the changes are on the one slide. If we also want to change maybe other slides that have the same layout, for example, 2 and the rest have the same layout, you simply you go back and use the same procedures. Come, view, click on slide master, come and highlight, come home, you bold, you underline, change the font maybe to 54, change the uppercase to upper because the headings want them to look different. You also come and change the fonts. You choose any font of your size. After choosing, you put it in italics, slide master, then close. There will be changes in all your work that had the same layout. As you see, it changed all the headings because I only changed the headings using the slide master. So you only use the slide master if you have the same layout. From that, maybe you want to add transitions to your work. You use fade. When you transition, simply it brings the slide before the one you're applying transitions. Maybe you also want to add animations. You come and select for the heading. Maybe for the heading, I want it to fade. That is the animation I want. But for my text, I want a different animation. You come and select any of your choice. For my choice, I now want to use split. That is it. So they have changed the animations of my slide 2. Maybe I also change the one of slide 3. Come and let me go menu. I use bounce. Then for my text, I maybe use wheel, any you choose. For slide 4, I'll also use a different one. It is according to what you want, what you're interested in. You come here, select any you're interested in. Maybe we use shovel. When we come to text, we use random bars. So after applying animations, you may also love to design your work. You go and select any kind of design you want. Let's select this. That is the kind of design you've selected. Then maybe you want to use slideshow for presenting your work. You simply come here down. You want to show your work to a given audience. Just come, click on your work and click on this arrow here, slideshow. It will follow the animations you selected for different elements. For example, the heading was different from my text. That is why they appear different with your work that is designed. So if you want to go to another slide, it will bring according to the animations you put. And that is it. When you're done with this and you want to go back home or where you've been, you simply press your escape key. That is how you simply present your work using PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But above all, your comments are important to me and they help me know where I've reached. Thank you.